Now's the time to start cleaning up, cutting all those trees. You can see how big those logs are, so you can only imagine how tall the trees were. I'm going to show you something back here to help you out. You see where I had to multiple cut these logs. I finally got a lot of them cut. Had to cut multiple logs. Slide in here real quick. Ouch. What had happened was, what I did is I got on this extension ladder. This tree, one of these trees was just huge, and I didn't want it to go into my neighbor's property. So I got this extension ladder and I crawled all the way up there and I wrapped a band around it, brought the band down, tied the band onto Faith. And if you don't know who Faith is, you can check one of my previous videos. So I tied the band on the Faith, and I used the backhoe on Faith to bend the tree over to my side of the property so I wouldn't be on my neighbor's property. I started cutting real slow down below the band till it started to bend, and I realized that there was so much of the tree that it would have fell on the gazebo. So that's one nice thing about that pole saw, is I went ahead and I extended it all the way on out, and I cut it in different lengths from as far as I could reach. Cut it again, cut it again, cut it again. I also used the pole saw to cut the little small branches till I was able to get down to where I could safely go ahead and bring it down. And like I said right here, I don't know if you can see this or not, but see, I totally missed my greenhouse, and the gazebo's back over there. Missed the gazebo also. So now it's cleanup time. Stay tuned. Celtic Farmer here. As you can see, I'm chipping away with that wood max, and I'm turning my own branches and trees in my own wood chips and mulch, and I'll go and I'll dump this over around my gardens and stuff, and I'll come back and I'll fill it up again.